Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about safety in science from the chapter What is Science. In previous class, we have learned some of the process skills while we are conducting. How can you conduct that experiment? How can you research that one? So for that, we used some skills. So here while we are doing research in the laboratory, we have to take while you are conducting the experiment in the laboratory, we have to take some safety rules. Now in this class we are going to learn about the safety rules or safety in science while we are conducting any experiment in the laboratory. So if you observe some of them safety rules are there. The first one is think ahead. What is it? Think ahead. So this is the first safety rule, children. In this, we have to do study the steps of the investigation. You know what to expect. First, we have to read or we have to study all the steps to do that activity. That means to start which we have to do, that one we can do in this safety room, children. So after that, if you have any questions, ask your teacher about that experiment. So this safety measure we have to take. Otherwise, some problems are there while we are conducting the experiment. So we have to use this rule, children. The first one is think ahead. So in think ahead, what do? We have to study all the steps and be ready to do the experiment or what to expect. So for that, if you have any question, and ask your teacher. Okay, children. This is the first safety rule. Now come to the second safety rule, that is be neat. What is it? Be neat. So here, if you observe in be neat, keep your area clean. While you are conducting a experiment in the laboratory, you have to clean the area in the laboratory or in that particular room. If you have long hair or sleeves, we have to get that one and we have to keep it away from the laboratory. And if long papers are there and long sleeves are there, we have to roll it and after that we have to keep away from the laboratory. So that one we have to do in be neat. And now come to the third one, children. So in third one, whoops. What is it? Whoops. This is very important, children. So this is also safety rule we have to follow. That means in whoops, if you should spill or break anything, if you should spill means breaking, and or break something or to cut or anything, then immediately you have to give the information to your teacher. So once again, I will say about the whoops. Whoops means if you spill, that means some which instruments you are using to do the experiment. If you break that one or if that bend that one or anything, immediately that information we have to give to your teacher. So that is whoops, children. Now come to the fourth one. Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. So that means here in watch your house means wear safety goggles or spectacles to your eyes. While you are doing the experiments, The eyes are very delicate. So with eyes only we can observe, we can watch the children. So for that reason we have to wear the goggles. Goggles means spectacles. So if you use that one, we should not get any problem to the eyes. So for that reason we have to wear the spectacles. That is watch your eyes, children. Next, fifth one, yuck. What is it? Y-U-C-K. Yuck. So here in this safety rule, you never drink or eat any type of food material while you are doing the experiment. You should not ask any food item or any drinking item to anybody. So that is yuck. After that come to the sixth safety rule, that is protect yourself from shocks. Protect yourself from shocks. We are doing the experiment with electricity also. Sometimes when you are keeping the plug in the plug pin, you have to do carefully that one. And while you are doing the experiment, if you should not pull that pin, that means plug pin. So to the plug pin, cord is there. Cord means wire. So you don't pull that wire or cord. Whenever if you are doing like that, sometimes the sparks are there from the electricity, or sometimes the wire will break down, so you will get the shock. So for that reason, while you are doing the experiment, you have to use carefully the electricity appliance instruments. Don't ever pull a plug out of an outlet by pulling on the cord. That only what I said. Cord means wire. So you don't pull the wire when the wire is in plug pin. If you do like that, you will get a shock, children. So for that reason, electric wires or electric cords are there. You don't pull that one. So that one, if you do like that, sometimes you will get a shocks. So for that, we have to protect yourself from shocks while we are doing experiments. And seventh one, children, and final one, keep it clean. Keep it clean. So okay, at the end of the experiment, in the laboratory, we have to always clean up when you have finished your experiment in the laboratory. Okay, children, always clean up. Always clean up when your experiment is finished in the laboratory. And after that, put everything away. And wipe your work area and wash your hands well. So this one you have to do in keep it clean, children. So if you follow all these safety rules while you are conducting the experiment or research in the laboratory, then that is the better for you. And otherwise you can't expect outcome or result or the discovery from your experiment, children. So once again I will repeat the safety rules or the safety in science while you are doing the experiment in the laboratory, children. So first one, think ahead. So first in think ahead, what do? We must study the steps to conduct the experiment. That means what to do. And after that, if you have any doubts, you have to ask the questions to your teacher, children. So in think ahead, you have to do like that. And now come to the be neat. So your laboratory where you are doing, the experiment, that laboratory should be very clean. You have to keep it clean. If long hair is there and other small pieces or threads or anything is there, and you have to clean that one. And you know, if long papers or long papers or sleeves, that means some cloth pieces, if are there long cloth pieces are there, or sleeves are there, you have to roll up and you have to keep away from the laboratory. So that one you have to do in being it. And now come to the oops. In oops, what do you do? In the oops, if you spill or break any instrument which you are using for the experiment, that one immediately you have to inform to your teacher. That one in oops we have to do. And after that, watch your eyes. So eyes are very important, they are delicate, with eyes only we can see the experiment, we can do the experiment, we can everything we can do. So for that we have to wear the goggles. Goggles means spectacles which are covered completely eyes. So that one you have to keep, children. Otherwise there is a problem to the eyes and you can't do the experiment easily. And after that come to the yolk. Yolk means you should not drink, never eat or drink anything while you are doing the experiment in the laboratory. And if they are giving also, you should not take, you should not ask the things. So that one you have to do in yolk. And come to the sixth one, protect yourself from shocks. While you are doing the experiment in the laboratory, electricity is also required for your experiment. So for that reason, when you are keeping the plug into the plug pins, the plug pins are having, plugs are having cards means wires. So you should not pull up strongly, and if you pull up like that, sometimes the wire will break down, then shock is there. Or sometimes in the plug pin also the sparks will come out. So for that reason, you should not pull that one, pull the cards or pull the wires. You should not do that one, children. Okay, come to the seventh one, children, that is keep it clean. So always keep your laboratory clean when your experiment is finished, and keep away the things in such places, and wipe your work area. Okay, children. Then after that, finally you wash your hands. So these are the safety in science or safety rules while you are doing the experiment in the laboratory, we have to follow. Okay, children. Now get your diary, children. Okay, children. Textbook reading, page number 13. Page number 13. So this is the diary for you, children. Now you take down, you write down the diary. Okay, did you write, children? Did you write your diary? Okay, children. In coming class, we are going to learn about some of them processes, or some of them sequential order while we are discovering new thing. While you are discovering new thing, already we have learned in briefly some of them steps are there to discover new things. In coming class, we are going to learn that steps, children. In order, we are going to learn the steps to discover new things. Okay, children? Okay, thank you, children.